is up, trappers? Checking out, man. We are out here in Elkhart at the UnderDogz hangout. These guys, they're getting ready to go up to Goshen, Indiana tomorrow, out on County Road 38. They're having a car show up there. It's the first annual, I guess, that they're doing. It's on Facebook. Maybe we'll get a link and put it in the description or whatever. That way you guys click it, go to Facebook, see the link. But they'll be out in Goshen tomorrow. I think it's from what, 9 to 2, Chino, is that right? Yeah, it's 9 to 2, man. That's where they're going to be at, Goshen, Indiana on County Road 38. Somewhere out there, there's a car show. If you look on Facebook, I'm sure you'll find it, guys. But check it out, man. He's got all of his trophies out here. Everybody's out here getting shined up, cleaned up. Woo. And we got a project coming, guys. We're going to do an underglow kit on this Challenger, so that'll be real cool. But we're going to check these cars out, guys. Ooh, there's a Jeep back there too. But I don't want to give too much away. We're going to flip this around and do it to it. Yeah, check him out, guys, right here. Ooh, look at that. I don't even know what that one says. That one says best audio, you see? People's Choice Award. Got a couple more back here, you see? UnderDogz, you see it back here in the background. You see him, you see him. Look, he got this thing. It looks like it's sticker bomb, but they hydro dipped it, man. Check him out. That pattern is sick, man. It looks good too. They getting practice, getting set up for the show, you see him? Ooh, he got the LEDs. You know Chino, man, we spent 20 minutes just on this car going over everything he got, man. You see him? And look at this. He got the light up here on the hood. It's hard to see in the daytime. We need to get some nighttime footage, guys, when the sun goes down, and get that thing lit up. Check him out. We're gonna come around here on the side, check him out back there. And we got the Charger. You see it? Yeah, look. He blinged up down here on the wheels too. They look good. Like I said, we spent an hour just doing this car. Look at that. He got the big screen up there. You see him? Check him out. Damn, he got a trophy in here hanging. No, that's the Michael Jordan thing. Look, he got the big screen in this, and the mats and the seat covers. Look at that, done up, man. Ooh, look, he got this open for us. We're gonna check it out back here. Damn, he got the Terra amps. Damn, he's wired up. And you know Chino, he hella loud, man. Damn, we're gonna get another peek of that. Look, damn, Chino wired up. We said it. You know, you hear this thing coming from a Grizz nip. Look, I almost forgot about the door panels. Went right past them. Check them out. Damn. He'll be talking to you. And he got the bass in the trunk. But he needs to get that stuff finished up. He just got to sit in there right now, guys. That's a work in progress. But, you know, we'll see it later on. Check him out. Oh, he don't have a sticker on. Oh, it goes to the music. You can't see it unless it's playing music. That thing's sick. Check him out. I got the Corvette out here. Yeah, on the 35th anniversary wheels. You see them saw blades cutting. And look at the inside, guys. He's got the roof out. Look, and he got his award right here. Let's check out the award right quick.
You can open the doors up, man.
Woo. Man, that thing's wide open. We don't need to open that one up, really. That got the whole top off. Look at that thing. It's clean. I think he said, what, the 91?
90.
90. Yeah. It is.
Open up the doors and stuff, bud.
It's hella clean. Yeah, we'll check it out one time. Woo, check him out. He got the digital dash and the automatic. Check him out. Woo. And he clean in here, guys. Check him out. He got the red and black door panel, hella clean. You see him? 91. Ooh, that shot's nice too, guys. Good, good. That's a nice looking vet, guys. And then they got the Jeep out here. Look at this. The light bar and the headlights in this thing. Look at it. You see him? Nasty. Check that out. Yeah. Look at this thing's all done up. Look. I don't even know what those are. What, dragonflies, right? All the green. And look at them ducks. That's a hell of a lot of ducks. All these green accents everywhere. Check them out. Even got the wheels and the valve stem covers. You see that? Yeah. Look. Brakes done up back there. Hella heck of green. Green on the inside. You see it? You can see it from here. Wheel cover. Everything, man. It's blinged up. And then check this thing out right here. We got a project coming for this thing. It's Scatty. It's got the 392 TA. You see him? Yeah, and this thing sounds nasty too, man. But we're gonna do the underglow lights for him, man. He's got another kit. He wants to do it up. We can walk around all this. Check him out under here. 392. Got it cleaned up. I think they're all gonna be out at the show tomorrow. So if you want to see them, check them out. That's gonna be the spot to be, guys. Check him out. Them wheels sick. But right here, look at him. Yeah.
No, push the button. That's a hornet.
Hey, there's Javier. Hi, buddy. Man, he got us, guys. He photobombed another one of us. The kid, he loves being out. Yeah, there you go, guys.
Want to see something?
That's what it is, guys. That's what we're doing. We're out here with Underdog Car Club. Check them out tomorrow in Goshen, Indiana on County Road 38. That's where they'll be, guys. That's what it is. That's what we're doing. We're getting ready to do underglow on this thing, so keep an eye out for that video. That'll be coming soon, guys. We'll see you in the next one. Keep on trapping.
We stand out like bird shit on a black shoe.